Measuring point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. And this is like a geometric reference point for illustrating, let's say, a commercialized area, a city. And this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal for illustrating, let's say, a commercialized area, a city. Modified and if you put a very
so it's the A but a higher frequency. No, we call it pitch. It's frequency. From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch. Now, why are we hearing octaves? Octave is quite a phenomenon. It turns out that based on our biological evolution, we and our Homo sapiens, our survival mechanism.
Knowing a lot about all these subjects, being able to explain them and talk.
Being able to solve problems. Okay. I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that,
then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So